Welcome to my channel. Today I will be making some hot and spicy curry chicken. I start out by seasoning my chicken. Go ahead and add all of your seasoning to your chicken. You can use any seasoning of your preference, or you can use the same one that I use. Let's go ahead and add the curry powder. Yes, people. Now we're gonna get some oil to the pot. Then go ahead and add the curry into the pot to burn the curry, people. Yes, people, nice and good. I want to put the curry chicken in there. Oh my God, look at that. So good, so amazing. You definitely want to try it out. Now let's go ahead and add in some water to cook this curry chicken down, people. Then I'm going to go ahead and add in some onions, peppers, and some scotch bonnet pepper, people. Just to spice it up. Then I'll go ahead and add in this in there, people. Nice and good and wonderful. Oh my God, so good, so amazing. You definitely want to try it out. Oh my God, look at that. Until next time, like, comment, share, and most definitely follow on this video to see more awesome videos like these. If you want to see these videos and many more videos, check me out on my YouTube channel.